strong enough. Now, as you know, keep the life right there, so. Make sure my fans can see. If they get the privilege to see me first, because I haven't been here 1 year, we're going to find out if my real fans them there tonight. Yeah, in the whole life. Before I go any further, I want to find out if my real fans is here. You know why? Me tell them all the way, me feel like me get the hardest fighting in the business. I feel like someone who just start something support me through me up and love and hip hop. You have some people that fight me and bash me and bring me down right through. Some can just jump up and I say spice through them feel like look for something that go on. But I want to make sure that when I'm there, me perform for my real fans there. If you don't know that song, you may go home. Me go back to my real old fans there. This is from 2003. These are girls, you know. From any coming. This is them. Oh, the fans are there. You know. What me up for? Come and do it in this now. But if you don't believe me, fucking for me now. Just for the living matter what this year. But put it on and send it home and make it up. We don't tell me you're regular, coming here on serious. Oh, you want Canada? The man never request me coming, you won't be willing. Pull it up. You know what we find to test them. Them know they want the wallet. Hold on, don't move. I don't know a fight over man. And that bust me. But me I come back for your old spice. You there for life? Instagram. If them don't know the song yeah, me I drop the mic and come off of the stage. Cause me only perform for my real hardcore fans there. Play this, let me see what go on.
Yes.
Run the real fans there. Let me see the real fans there, Julia. Instagram. Tip by your twat. What's the title? Why you with me on that? Secret though. Nobody knows to know between me and nobody can't make money. Me do it like a love off the fuck from the deal. Leave me over the almond. Jump the back fence coming near about. Me I'm gonna make a fly like the bird and the bee. You're good. Yeah! Come me around on it. Boy, me man not there, star in my star. Boy, it feel good. We walk me go large. You know you have to get about me and take you away. Watch my fans there. Be happy, come back. Sure, I'm scared to my head, pal. Me know go and slow, me know me tick-tock. Man, me get mad when me see you. Give me put it on the left, try to touch it on the right. The man can't bother you, come back tonight. Stay in the dark. See your place when they're there, that's what we want it. I really like how you manage it. I like it the way you set up. Pull up! New York City! Big up on yourself! I miss you guys so much! Pandemic couldn't worry without a blood clot. We're outside! They're outside! What else you have for me? Don't play nothing yet! Don't play nothing yet! Kevin, you know why you play nothing yet? This is an intermission. You have to make them cool off with that one here. You give me some old spice a while ago. Me want you find a new spice. What is it now? Me text me fans them a while ago, me see someone there. Me play some old spice and me see someone know there. When you come back from 2003, me can't go for a new spice. Me can't play a new spice. Play a new spice. New York! So me a beat them. She didn't get it. But they speak their own, they tell them to control. Location and change and the money we are. First class on front, it and the banana. The bank account better than a road. Out on bad. Nothing. Never so sweet like dumpling. Chew with high electric like dumpling. High electric like dumpling. Out on bad. Stunting. Never so sweet like dumpling. Chew with high electric like dumpling. High electric like dumpling.
Make way for the big drum shunting. Step standing in the boom boom hunting. Now the time for the one or the hunting. Yeah, you
Don't itch. Me don't want to itch right there, so. You know I want to go right now. That's what I tell you what I feel for go. I want to ask you one question. Me I go ask you now one question. What's the number one reggae dancehall song in the world? Right now. Every girl right now, follow up. Are you ready? Follow up now.
every morning, every evening, I just dream straight like the sunrise.
One on. One a girl can go down there. Sophia can go down there. One a girl bad